আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। আইসিএবি সিএ সার্টিফিকেট লেভেলের ইনফরমেশন টেকনোলজি পেপারের চ্যাপ্টার 3 এর আমরা আমার 7th এপিসোড এটা। এই এপিসোডে আমি ট্রেন্ডস অফ কম্পিউটার সিস্টেম ডেভেলপমেন্ট নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ট্রেন্ডস অফ কম্পিউটার সিস্টেম ডেভেলপমেন্টের ফার্স্ট মাইলস্টোন হিসেবে ধরে নেওয়া হয় অ্যাবাকাসকে। Abacus was the first instrument of calculation. Early calculation was the main objective of early computer. প্রথম দিকে কম্পিউটারের একমাত্র উদ্দেশ্য ছিল ক্যালকুলেশন. That is why many people believe that the invention of manual instruments known as abacus was the first milestone of development of today's computer system. Abacus, a wooden rack with beads and metal rods invented by Chinese around 4,000 years ago. The then merchants used this instrument to keep track of transactions. Users performed the calculation by moving its beads on metal rod. এবার আমরা কয়েকটা MCQ টেস্ট করব. Which one is correct statement? A. Calculation was the only objective of early computer. B. Multiprogramming was the objective of early computer. Which one is correct answer? Number A is the correct answer. Calculation was the only objective of early computer. Next, abacus is the first computer invented by Chinese 4,000 years ago. Abacus is a wooden rack with beads and metal rods that users move to perform calculation. Which one is correct answer? B is the correct answer. Abacus was not a computer. Abacus is a wooden rack with beads and metal rods that users move to perform calculations. Next milestone হচ্ছে Napier's bones. Napier's bones হচ্ছে first machine to use the decimal points. এটা তো ক্যালকুলেশন করা হতো, বাট এখানে decimal point add হয়. Next calculation tool was Napier's bones, invented by John Napier. This tool was built with 9 ivory strips with numerals to perform multiplication and division. It was the first machine to use the decimal point. এবার আমরা MCQ টেস্ট করব. Napier bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips with numerals to multiply and divide. Napier bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips which could not perform decimal point. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Napier bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips with numerals to multiply and divide. Correct answer. B তে বলতেছে Napier bones is the calculating tool used 9 ivory strips. এতটুকু correct. But তারপর বলতেছে which could not perform decimal point. এটা wrong. Napier bones প্রথম যন্ত্র যা দিয়ে decimal point calculation করা সম্ভব ছিল. That's why answer হচ্ছে A. Next question, which one is the first machine to use decimal point? Abacus or Napier's bones? Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is Napier's bones. Next milestone হচ্ছে Pascaline. Pascaline হচ্ছে early ancestor of the pocket calculator. Pascaline কে বলা হতো early ancestor of the pocket calculator. Pascaline was the first calculator to be mass produced and used. It was invented by French mathematician and physicist Blaise Pascal between 1642 and 1644. This brass box used 8 movable dials to add numbers up to 8 digits long. This mechanical device could add and subtract numbers and was an early ancestor of the pocket calculator. Numbers are entered into the Pascaline by manipulating its dials. এবার আমরা MCQ টেস্ট করব. Pascaline used 9 movable dials to add numbers up to 9 digits long. Pascaline The brass box used 8 movable dials to add numbers up to 8 digits long. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Pascaline is the brass box. It used 8 movable dials to add numbers up to 8 digits long. Which one is considered as the ancestor of pocket calculator? A. Pascaline. B. Napier spoons. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is Pascaline. Pascaline কে ধরে নেওয়া হয় পকেট ক্যালকুলেটরের অ্যানসেস্টর। নেক্সট মাইলস্টোন হচ্ছে অ্যানালিটিক্যাল ইঞ্জিন। অ্যানালিটিক্যাল ইঞ্জিন ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট মেকানিক্যাল কম্পিউটার। এবার কম্পিউটারের সাথে পরিচয় হলো, বাট মেকানিক্যাল কম্পিউটার। Analytical engine, known as the first mechanical computer, was invented by Charles Babbage. It was designed to perform any mathematical calculation that was set before it. And it had some features of analytical engine that are still found in modern digital computer. Number 1, programmable using punch cards. Number B, a store for holding numbers and intermediate results. A mill for performing arithmetic processing, an internal repertoire for 4 arithmetical functions, direct multiplication and division. এবার আমরা MCQ test করব। Analytical engine is considered as the first mechanical computer, or analytical engine is considered as the first digital computer. Which one is correct answer? Number A, analytical engine is considered as the first mechanical computer. Next milestone হচ্ছে ENIAC. ENIAC is the first generation of computer. Computer generation এর কথা consider করলে ENIAC কে বলা হয় first generation of computer. ENIAC was designed by physicist John Mauchly and electrical engineer J. Presper Eckert and built with a team of engineers, mathematicians, programmers, and other experts. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, was the world's first programmable general-purpose electronic computer. It was built at the University of Pennsylvania during World War II to calculate artillery firing tables for the US military. এবার আমরা MCQ test করব। ENIAC is the first mechanical computer, or ENIAC was the first generation of computer. Which one is correct? ENIAC was the first generation of computer. Next question, the world's first programmable general purpose electronic computer was ENIAC or Apple Macintosh. Which one is correct answer? The world's first programmable general purpose electronic computer was ENIAC. Option A is the correct answer. Next milestone হচ্ছে IBM PC. IBM PC is the first microcomputer. The IBM personal computer, known as the IBM PC model 5150, is the first microcomputer. A প্রথম microcomputer introduced হলো। This model of microcomputer was based on open architecture and third-party peripherals powered by an x86 architecture Intel 8088 processor. এটাকে বলা হয় open architecture, third-party peripherals use করে এটা করা হয়, powered by x86 architecture Intel 8088 processor. এবার আমরা MCQ test দেখব। IBM's personal computer released in 1981 or 1984. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. IBM's personal computer released in 1981. Next question. The first microcomputer was Apple Macintosh or IBM PC. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. The first microcomputer was IBM PC. Next milestone হচ্ছে Apple's Macintosh. Apple's Macintosh is the first PC with graphical user interface. Graphical user interface বলতে আমরা এখন যে ইন্টারফেসটা ইউজ করি, আইকনের মধ্যে ক্লিক করলে আমরা ইউজ করতে পারতেছি। এটা প্রথম ইন্ট্রোডিউস হয় অ্যাপলস ম্যাকিন্টশ দিয়ে। Apple Macintosh is line of personal computers. এটাও personal computer. It was designed and marketed by Apple since 1984. It was the first successful mass market computer to have a graphical user interface, a built-in screen and mouse. এবার আমরা MCQ test করব। Apple's Macintosh released in 1979 or 1984. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Apple's Macintosh released in 1984. The first computer with GUI, or that graphical user interface, was IBM PC or Apple Macintosh. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. First computer with graphical user interface was Apple Macintosh. Next milestone হচ্ছে Microsoft Windows computer system, sir. Windows is a product line of proprietary graphical operating systems developed and marketed by Microsoft. The first version, Windows 1.0, was released in 1985 as a graphical operating system for MS-DOS in response to the growing interest in graphical user interface. Windows for the first time allowed DOS user to visually navigate a virtual desktop, opening graphical windows, displaying the contents of electronic folders and files with the click of a mouse button rather than typing commands and directory paths at a text prompt. এই প্রথম মাইক্রোসফট উইন্ডোজ আসার পর থেকে প্রথম কম্পিউটার ইউজাররা বিভিন্ন আইকনে ক্লিক করে, অর্থাৎ গ্রাফিক্যাল ইউজার ইন্টারফেস বলতে এক একটা আইকন আমরা যখন ফোল্ডার বা ফাইলসের আইকন পাই, ওই আইকনে ক্লিক করে অপারেট করতে পারত। তার আগে ডস মোডে ইউজ করতে হতো, অর্থাৎ বিভিন্ন টেক্সট টাইপ করতে হতো, তারপর ইউজ করা হতো। বাট মাইক্রোসফট উইন্ডোজ আসার পরে গ্রাফিক্যাল ইউজার ইন্টারফেস চলে আসলো, আইকন মুভ করে নেভিগেট করে আমরা কম্পিউটার ইউজ করতে পারি। Next, Microsoft Windows launched in 1985, 1995. Which one is correct answer? Microsoft Windows launched in 1985. The World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is an information system that enables content sharing over the internet. আমরা যেটাকে শর্ট নেমে বেশি ভালো চিনি, www. This is the World Wide Web. It's an information system that enables content sharing over the internet. It allows documents and other web resources to be accessed over the internet according to specific rules of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. HTTP is a protocol that allows for the transmission of information between a web server and a client. এবার আমরা MCQ টেস্ট করব। The World Wide Web launched in 1989 or 1985. Which one is correct answer? 1989. The World Wide Web launched in 1989. Next question. The World Wide Web, WWW, is an information system that allows the transmission of information between a web server and a client, or www is an information system that enables content sharing over the internet. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. The World Wide Web is an information system that enables content sharing over the internet. HTTP allows the transmission of information between a web server and a client, or HTTP enables content sharing over the internet. Which one is correct answer? Number A. HTTP allows the transmission of information between a web server and a client. এই ছিল আমাদের Trends of Computer System নিয়ে এপিসোড। এটা চ্যাপ্টার 3 এর 7th এপিসোড। নেক্সট এপিসোডে আমাদের সাথে দেখা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।